Volcanoes, nature's ticking time bombs. Throughout history, they have unleashed destruction and reshaped the very landscapes we call home. Their eruptions are a powerful reminder of the Earth's dynamic inner forces, often leaving a trail of devastation and altering the course of history. Today, we are about to embark on a fiery journey through plumes of ash, molten lava, and monumental explosions as we count down the top 10 biggest volcanic eruptions ever witnessed by humankind. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready, for this is a journey into the heart of the Earth's most explosive moments. Number 10. Santa Maria, Guatemala, October 25, 1902. In the early 20th century, Santa Maria marked its grand re-entry from dormancy with a blast that reverberated internationally. This eruption was characterized not just by its magma expulsion, but also by its staggering ash discharge. The ash cloud was so dense that it drifted all the way to San Francisco, casting a veil of gray over the city. The effects of this eruption weren't merely atmospheric. They altered landscapes, transformed ecosystems, and prompted significant climatic variations in regions far from Guatemala. Even today, the region around Santa Maria bears scars, silent yet potent reminders of nature's might. Number 9. Mount Vesuvius, Italy, 79. Vesuvius is not just an eruption, it's a moment frozen in time. The city of Pompeii, vibrant and bustling, was encapsulated by the wrath of the mountain, preserving streets, houses, and the anguished poses of those who perished. This eruption offers a snapshot of Roman life, complete with structures, artifacts, and human casts. The archaeological revelations from this site have provided invaluable insights into Roman daily life, making this eruption not just catastrophic, but also historically illuminating. Number 8. Mount Pinatubo, Philippines, 1991. 4 centuries of silence were obliterated in 1991, when Pinatubo awoke with a vengeance. The scale of this eruption was colossal, with vast amounts of ash, magma, and sulfur dioxide thrust into the atmosphere. The aftermath was even more significant. Crops failed, temperatures plunged, and even the color of sunsets changed, becoming vividly picturesque due to the particles in the atmosphere. It stands as a testament to how localized geological events can precipitate global climatic shifts. Number 7. Novato Del Ruiz, Colombia, 1985. Size isn't always the hallmark of disaster. Novato Del Ruiz's eruption was geologically modest, but resulted in a tragic loss of life. The eruption melted a glacier, triggering a lahar, volcanic mudflow, that buried the town of Armero. Beyond the immediate devastation, this tragedy stands as a testament to the importance of heeding scientific warnings and the catastrophic cost when they're ignored. Number 6. Mount Unsen, Japan, 1792. Japan, a nation familiar with volcanic fury, bore witness to a unique catastrophe in 1792. The eruption of Mount Unsen was further compounded when the resultant landslide entered the sea, generating a tsunami. The waves, reaching frightening heights, erased entire settlements, leading to a staggering loss of life. It's a solemn reminder of the interconnectedness of geological phenomena. Number 5. Hilapongo El Salvador, 450 AD. Hilapongo's eruption stands out not just for its magnitude, but also for its far-reaching climatic impacts. This event, characterized by massive tephra expulsion, had repercussions that spanned continents, from Europe's historical records detailing unusual climatic anomalies to Asia's accounts of unseasonal patterns. Hilapongo's wrath was felt worldwide. Today, the caldera cradles Lake Hilapongo, its serene waters contrasting starkly with its violent past. Number 4. Mount Pele, Caribbean, 1902. Mount Pele, situated on the stunning Caribbean island of Martinique, bore witness to one of the deadliest volcanic eruptions of the 20th century in 1902. On May 8th, the volcano's explosive power was unleashed, decimating the picturesque town of Saint Pierre, once referred to as the Paris of the Caribbean. Within mere minutes of the eruption, a pyroclastic flow, a superheated, fast-moving mixture of ash, gas, and volcanic debris, engulfed the city, obliterating nearly everything in its path. Astonishingly, out of the city's approximate 30,000 inhabitants, only 2 individuals miraculously survived the immediate onslaught. The devastation was profound, both in terms of loss of life and the cultural heritage that was obliterated that fateful day. Mount Pele's 1902 eruption serves as a haunting reminder of the unpredictable and monumental force that nature can wield. Even today, The remnants of St. Pierre stand as a somber testament to the tragic events and the lives that were irrevocably changed. Number 3. Lakey, Iceland, 1783. Iceland, a land forged by fire and ice, witnessed one of history's most significant eruptions in 1783. Lakey spewed out a massive lava field and released toxic gases, leading to widespread crop failure and livestock death in Iceland. But its influence wasn't confined to the island nation. Europe experienced a drop in temperatures, North America faced an exceptionally harsh winter, and as far as India, the monsoon patterns were disrupted. Such global ramifications from a single eruption underscore the delicate balance of our planet's climatic systems. Number 2. Krakatoa, Indonesia, 1883. Krakatoa's eruption is legendary. The sound of the blast is considered the loudest ever recorded, with reports suggesting it was heard up to 3,000 miles away. The eruption wasn't just an auditory spectacle, it influenced global climate, induced tsunamis, and led to magnificent sunsets worldwide, courtesy of the ash dispersed in the upper atmosphere. The eruption and its aftermath are stark reminders of the impermanence of geography and the dynamic nature of our planet. Number 1. Mount Tambora, Indonesia, 1815. The eruption of Mount Tambora stands unparalleled in its magnitude and aftereffects. The sheer volume of material ejected transformed global climate, leading to the infamous Year Without a Summer in 1816. Crop failures, famines, and epidemics were rampant. Interestingly, the persistent rains and gloom inspired literary works, most notably Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. Tambora's eruption serves as a cautionary tale of the immense power that lurks beneath our feet, occasionally bursting forth with civilization-altering consequences.